Hello everyone. Today we'll learn interactive inventory analysis dashboard on Power BI. In this dashboard, the key insights include sales revenue by quarter. For this, I used clustered column chart, top 10 lowest inventory product. For this, I used clustered bar chart for top 10 inventory stock products. For sum of revenue by quarter, I used area chart and a matrix with product ID, product name, inventory, selling, and inventory value. And I used three cards, total inventory units, inventory value, and revenue. And I used a slicer to filter based on brand. Here we go. First brand is DR, revenue is 850 million, inventory value is 3 billion, total inventory units is 20k. What if it's LV? LV, the revenue is 209 million, inventory values 364 million, and total inventory units 6,913. What if Nike? Revenue is 1 billion, inventory value is 8 billion, total inventory units 32k. Prada, its revenue is 59 million, inventory value is 107 million, total inventory units is 3,873. If quarter, here you can see sum of revenue. What if Nike plus Tiba? Yes. Total inventory units is 52k, inventory value is 21 billion, revenue is 2 billion. And this is how my dashboard works. That's all about my dashboard. Thank you.